Welcome to Bellco Manufacturing. We are so excited to tour this tiny home on wheels. It is built inside a 170-inch wheelbase Sprinter van and designed to be fully off-grid. With the background in aircraft maintenance engineering, everything was created in-house by Bellco, from the carpentry to the electrical and water systems. We can't wait to show you. Let's check it out. Upon entry, this camper van features an open couch area. Because of the limited available space inside a van, versatility is key. So to extend the seating space as much as possible and accommodate for more people, we decided to install these two swivel seats. Underneath the couch, we have installed two big storage drawers with a soft close system. At the very bottom are two kick drawers. In fact, we have installed these kick drawers underneath all our cabinetry throughout the van. And because they are somewhat hidden from view, it's a great spot to store your valuables. The couch also has two seat belts, so the van can transport 4 people altogether. Additionally, we've installed the popular Lagoon table system, which allows you to swivel the table to both the couch and the front seating area. At the base of the passenger seat, we have installed a diesel heater, which vents into the living area to keep you nice and cozy. A second vent is located under the bed and towards the battery compartment for temperature control on cold days. The last vent is located at the bottom of the shower. In combination with the ceiling fan, this allows for warm air circulation, which will help to stay on top of moisture buildup inside the bathroom. This system also allows for speedy drying times for wet clothes, such as wetsuits for surfing, or if you want to dry ski gear in the wintertime. The shower stall is just under 4.5 feet and features a stainless steel shower pan with a teak insert. The self-cleaning Nautilus door keeps the water contained. A freshwater tank holds 20 gallons of water that can be filled with this port outside the vehicle. When you want to rinse off under the shower, make sure to turn on your 12-volt electric water heater. Alternatively, the water can also be heated up automatically while the vehicle is running, as it is piped into the engine coolant system. It will stay warm for around 8 to 10 hours thanks to the insulation layer on the heater unit. The water then drains to a gray water tank, which holds a total of 20 gallons of water. All water tanks are mounted underneath the vehicle and are equipped with heat pads to avoid freezing during the colder winter months. Because we know how tedious it can be to manually drain the gray water tank, we decided to install an electrical release switch on the inside of the van for maximum convenience. For now, we are using a portable cassette toilet from Porta Potty. Another popular option for the future is a composting toilet, for which we included an electrical connection for a fan and a vent hose to guide the air directly to the outside. Next to the shower, we have a countertop unit which contains our 50-liter Dometic fridge and freezer, and a drawer which we use to charge electronics with the hidden rear-mounted charge hookups. On the opposite side of the van, we have our kitchen with a large industrial sink and silver backsplash. The 8-foot countertop gives you plenty of room for meal prepping, and a 12-volt outlet allows you to plug in regular kitchen gadgets. This flush-mounted induction cooktop features multiple touch settings, including adjustments for heat and temperature, a timer, and a lock function. We opted for this stovetop because it is fast and intuitive and eliminates the hassle of cooking with a portable cam stove or worrying about exposure to propane gas. Since so much of this lifestyle is about being outside, we love the idea of placing the stove at the far end of the kitchen counter. That way, you can feel like you're cooking outdoors when the slider door is open in the summertime. When cooking fully indoors, you can turn on the max air fan located directly above the stove for plenty of ventilation. At the end of the kitchen counter, we have installed a flip-up extension for additional surface area next to the stove when you need it. As a second option, you can also use this compact Breville toaster oven as an alternative cooking solution. As for storage, there are 2 overhead cabinets above the couch area and another one above the bedside countertop, as well as 4 large upper cabinets which run along the left side of the van. The cabinets are entirely push-pop, and they are equipped with small struts so that the doors stay open without the need to hold them up manually. One of our favorite features of the cabinets is their rounded design, inspired by aircraft and marine cabinetry for small spaces, to avoid bumping your head on a sharp edge. Along the kitchen, we have plenty different sized drawers for storage, including this kick drawer with a dedicated area for trash and recycling. There are vent slits on 2 sides of this drawer to air out both the trash compartment as well as the heat buildup from the stove and toaster oven, which you can keep track of with this thermometer to avoid overheating. It was important to us to keep the drawer handles on the drawers low profile while walking in the tight hallway, which is why we opted for these flush-mounted latches on all drawers along the kitchen aisle. The push-open mechanism keeps your drawers locked in place while driving. This bed is 6 by 5.5 feet, very close to queen size. Since we have cabinets on the left side of the van already, we decided to leave the other side more open to be able to comfortably lean against the wall with ample headspace. This widens the bed area up considerably. The wall is equipped with a French cleat system, which allows you to easily hook different gadgets into the slats, so you can modify it to your likes and needs. There are 2 touch lamps with USB ports to charge your electronics. We installed a small window in the bed area to let in fresh air during the night. This works especially well in conjunction with the Max Air fan, as it creates a pleasant stream of air throughout the van. Under the fridge, we have a pull-out step stool to make it easier to climb into bed. If you're traveling with friends or children, we have a secondary sleeping solution built into our couch in the front of the van. There are 2 methods to convert the couch to an additional bed. The pull-out system allows us to extend the couch to double its original size, while unfolding the couch cushion will turn it into a mattress. The second solution is to make use of the driver's side swivel seat as an extension to the couch. As a reference, Colton is 6'2" and can comfortably fit on the couch bed. We wanted to be able to easily fit large camping gear or outdoor equipment into the garage area for a maximum space of around 5 by 5 foot. Arguably, one of our favorite features of the van is the fact that we've put the bed on electric actuators. With the flick of a switch, you can move the bed up or down, which extends the available garage space. Thanks to the extended height, you can comfortably fit bicycles without the need to disassemble them, and you still have enough space to fit more gear or tools. In fact, there's even enough space to fit a motocross bike in the garage, which was our original motivation for installing the moving bed in the first place. This back shower gives you the opportunity to rinse off yourself or pets on summer days, or clean your equipment. The handheld shower attachment makes it easy to regulate water consumption, which is an important aspect of van life and allows you to stay off-grid for longer. The garage also houses our electrical system. The heart of the power system are these 4 100 amp-hour lithium batteries. We sourced these from Canbat and have everything linked below if you're interested. There are 2 200-watt solar panels mounted atop the vehicle which feed into the batteries. Additionally, the 30 or 50 amp shore power charger gives you the ability to plug into shore power if needed. And lastly, we have 30 amps of DC to DC charging off of the alternator while driving, which makes for a total of 3 ways to charge the batteries. We are able to monitor the system closely with the Victron Bluetooth app, which shows us the battery percentage and the amount of wattage coming in from the solar panels. The system contains an MPPT charge controller and links distributor, while the inverter transforms the incoming power from 12-volt DC to 120-volt AC. From here, everything in the van receives power, including the outlets and lights. There are several dimmable lighting options in the van. There's a small overhead light strip above the seating area and a small light inside the shower. The ceiling LED strips, the kitchen lights, and the kick lights, which illuminate the hallway, can be accessed via this small light switch set right upon the entry. The second option to control the lights is via the control panel, which also contains the dimmer. Here you can also find the control gauges to read the water levels in both the fresh and grey water tanks, as well as the release switch for the grey water. We're so happy to share this finished van with you all, and thank you for watching and supporting us. If you enjoyed this tour, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, as we will be posting more videos in the future. This van will be up for sale, so if you're interested, please send us a message. Our contact details are linked below. We'll see you on the road!